Aacess Equipment presents 40-ton battery-operated platform truck. It is designed to redefine efficiency in material handling. The cabin is designed with controls for ease of operation even for laymen. The operator's cabin is equipped with all the safety lights and buzzers. This comes with an easy-to-use handbrake and has electric power steering that makes turning smooth and easy. They come with solid rubber tires, offering superior performance. The combination of features ensures that our trucks are not only eco-friendly but also provide a comfortable working experience for operation. Our smart chargers optimize battery life and performance with adaptive charging technology. They offer advanced safety features and optimal battery health. Our battery-operated platform truck features customizable platform sizes to meet your specific needs. We can manufacture up to 100 tons of load capacity. For further inquiries, kindly contact us at the below details.